Okay, so design a pastillage ornament. So far I've done my research, I've done my experimenting, my rough sketches, experimenting with colours, and I've constructed a 3D image of my pastillage piece that I'm going to make. So now I need to do the final drawing. This can be drawn on an A3 paper or A4, it doesn't really matter, and it doesn't necessarily need to be to scale. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to separate, just cutting the sellotape off my 3Ds and separating it. If you're very good at drawing, then that's fine. Cutters. But what you might want to do, I'm going to draw for this ornament. I think I need to draw a front view and a side view to make it clear. So this drawing needs to be clear. So my plan layout and pastillage ornament, because then I can pass it on to somebody else and they can produce this pastillage ornament from my drawings. So as I say, it doesn't need to be to scale, but it's so much easier for me to do this to scale because I can just draw around my templates. And then I can find the cutters and just draw the missing section. I'm just looking at this. This one's going over the top. It's going underneath that one, over that one. Oops. I'm just trying to show you an easy way of doing it. Okay, so now I can remove this section. Cutting away the sellotape. And I can try and draw this on the side. So let's have a look at the width of this. 8 centimetres, my widest. Just going to draw a very light centre line going down. 8 centimetres, so on that line here is halfway between 8, which is 4, and I can just draw that line. My next one is 6.5, so that's 3 1/4. Next one is 5. And 3. So I'm going to draw the thickness of those plaques, and I plan to do the bottom one a little bit thicker, and each time I go up I'm going to be thinner. So I need to just draw this curve coming around there, and I'm just going to check that I've drawn the right thickness. Yeah, that's fine. So that's the front view. My side view I need to draw again these sections here, but instead of drawing that way, I'm just going to draw a line to represent them. So I've drawn this now, so this line represents that on the side, so this is my side view. This represents the curve, and if this was pastillage, I'd cut it out obviously flat, and then I would dry over something curved, and then it's dry, it will retain that shape. And then of course that's my circle stacked up. I could, if I want to do a top drawing, or I could explain this a little bit better just by drawing circles using the right size cutters. So that one, I'm missing a cutter. Where's that cutter gone? One, two, three, four, five. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5. I've taken apart those bottom. So, okay, so I'll finish colouring mine in so you can see it's a little bit clearer. I apologise for using felt pens, not brilliant. Your crayons would look so much better, or even paints. It's difficult when this might dry a little bit better, but it's a little bit messy. So what I need to do now is, in a pen, write and label them. So I need to put my name on it. Don't forget you can print this off if your handwriting's not brilliant. So pastillage. Free, standing, always using a pencil line as a guide. Ornament, pastillage freestanding ornament, and the date. And this is the front view. And whatever view you draw depends on your design, depends on what you need to show how to do. A front view, this is my side view. And this is my top view. And I need to put detail in. So I will write things like, this circle, I would like it textured with embossing, circle embossing. And I can show that on here. So if I want some little circles embossed on there. This one I could have stippled with royal icing, for example, and so on and so on. If I want to leave them plain, I'd leave it plain. I think if I was doing this design, I'd definitely try and get this curve textured this effect, which would probably be a mixture of royal icing stippled on there once it's dry. So you need to give all information on how you want those decorated. Okay. Now, the next stage is my templates. So I need to place all these templates on a piece of paper. So these are for my base. So I've taken the plastic off. I think they show better that way around. These in order. Da, da, da. And this I would need to take apart. Okay, so I've taken off all the sellotape, I've put them all on, I've put templates up there, and I need to say what I need. So this I need cup 1, orange paste. This is the base, and we need 1 of each. And I could say that this one is dark blue, orange, dark blue, grey, grey blue, grey blue. And this is my ornaments for the back. So circles, standing circles. So for this one I need 2, so cut 2. For this one I need 1, and for this one I need 2. So 1 orange, and then 1 blue, and it gives as much information as you can. So let's have a look. Let's go back to the beginning, and we'll just check that we've got everything. So first of all, I got my research. So my research, that's that. Then I've got my rough sketches, experimenting with colour. What then I had is a freestanding ornament cut out in cardboard, and I do need to take a picture of that. Then I did my drawing. So this is an instruction I'd give somebody if I wanted that reproduced, and backed up with my templates, and that's it. Thank you.